Rainbows, sprinkles, lollipops, swirl. When you on a world trip, flying high. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Colorful Vegetarian. So today I'm going to be doing a vlog. I'm going to be taking a trip to Austin to see my best friend. It is her birthday. She came to see me for my birthday, so I'm going to go see her for hers. If you didn't see that video, it's my 25th birthday vlog. I said, this is my best friend from Austin. So go ahead and watch that if you haven't checked that one out. Anyways, I am about to head there. I'm just waiting for my boyfriend to get back from running a service at church today. And then we're going there. So stay tuned, y'all. Hey everybody, I'm back. So I'm just getting some things to put her gift in. I got her gifts like a while back, but I never got the stuff. Me and my baby. Just walking to go get the stuff for Tree's birthday. It's a nice day out today. It is beautiful today. Oh yeah, y'all didn't see my outfit today. I'm rocking the V-neck with the jeggings and the cute boots.
I'm not wearing my other shirt. It'll be on later.
Yeah, he has a really cute shirt, but he's putting it on later. But it's gonna be so much fun. But we're going inside. I will catch back up with y'all later.
All right, guys, we're gonna start putting together the gifts.
Yes. So I already had the gift items. I just didn't have the wrapping to put it in because I've been busy. Y'all all know. So I'm just gonna put it together now. Got her a cute little bag. And these are her gifts. Bird feeder because she loves birds and everything beautiful. And I got her a little wind chime because she has a garden. So it'll be great for that. I love wrapping gifts if y'all don't know. So I'm gonna put the pink and white at the bottom because those colors are not my primary. I'm putting them at the bottom. Got those three cute colors there. I'm gonna put them at the bottom. See how that looks? Made a little pattern for them. It's cute, right?
It's like a flower.
Alrighty, let's do this bird feeder first. Cause I like this bird feeder, it's really cute. Let's do a blue, a black. Alrighty, put that there. Lay this bird feeder down in there. And cover it like it's a cover. I'm gonna leave it like half wrapped so it can still show all the other colors in there. It's really cute. And I'm gonna sit it in between the flower down there. Let's do black and pink. And I'll show y'all why I'm doing that. Let's do black and pink for this one. Put this beautiful wind chime in here. This is a big one. I love wind chimes, if y'all don't know. Wind chimes are so my life. I like the ones that like, when they spin, they look like they're moving. Those are really cute. This is going to go on the top to hide it all. There we go. We have our beautiful gift to Tree. Isn't it cute? Mm-hmm. All right, y'all, stay tuned. There's more to come. Alrighty, see y'all. Bye. Hey everyone, heading there. Baby's driving. I thought this could rotate, but I guess it can't, but that's alright. I can just turn my phone like this. I need y'all to see something else. But we're driving there. We got a little bit of time. It says like 3 hours to get there. So yeah. Alright, you guys. Well, I will check back in with you when we're almost there. And then we can see my best friend. Yay, later. Hey everyone. Quick little tune in. Funny story time. So I stopped at the gas station to get a snack. I went to go use the bathroom because, you know, I had to go. And walked in there, used it, you know, like normal. And then I walked out. Some random guy was like outside of the bathroom. And when he walked out, he like stopped and looked at me. And then he looked at the women's bathroom. And then he looked back at me. And then he looked at the women's bathroom. Now, mind you, I came out of the men's bathroom because I am a male. Obviously. So I started to walk away because I was just like, okay. And then he asked one of the workers, he was like, hey, is this the men's bathroom right here? And he was like, yeah, it is. He's like, isn't that a girl who just came out of it? He's like, no, that's a guy. He's like, oh my God, I thought that was a girl. And I was just like laughing while I was like pretending to shop because that was just the funniest thing ever. Like, come on y'all, do I look like a girl? I have facial hair, a mustache, Adam's apple. Yeah, my outfit is cute as ever, but really? I just thought that was hilarious. Like, Comment below. Let me know what y'all think. If I do look like a girl, please let me know. If I don't, still let me know. Alright, y'all. Hey, y'all. Checking back in. I'm playing my DS while I wait. I don't know if y'all heard the GPS talking. Ignore her. But we are almost there. We're almost to Austin. It's just so beautiful out here. So excited. We are a few minutes away from my friend's house. This is gonna be great. Look at him being all cool. I'm too cool to pay attention. He's so cute. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna game a little bit more before I get there. And I will check back in then. Yo, we made it. We are getting out the car now and we made it to Austin. We're about to go meet up with my best friend. So y'all stay tuned. But we're here. Yay.
Yay.
See y'all soon. Y'all, so we made it. We came inside the rec center with my best friend here for her birthday. So we're just watching her BF play the basketball. Then we're gonna do a bunch of other things for her birthday. But I'm so excited I'm here. I love her so much. All right, y'all, stay tuned. We stopped for drinks. Welcome back. It's gonna be delicious. We're gonna drink this, and like I said, there's more to come. Marsha's joined us, and that's a beautiful birthday tree. And the babes over there. It's gonna be a fun night, you guys. She's about to open her gifts. Let's see what she got. This one is from my sister Sierra.
Flower power.
And now it's glass in there, so be very careful.
Oh, I don't have gardening gloves.
You've just been doing it barehanded?
Oh, I had a feeling she had. I was like, I think she's been doing her gardening barehanded.
You're gonna get some serious green thumbs there. Yeah.
Oh, you guys, I'm gonna cry.
Solar powered, so it glows up at nighttime.
Continuously cycles through various colors.
Yep.
Like me. I love it. I love it. We'll go plug that in.
Yes. You just gotta let it charge with some sunlight.
Okay. Yes. Wow. Is this another one? Butterflies. We love them.
Yes.
These are so great. Wow. And a purple one. I'm obsessed. Aww. New friends.
Now she didn't have the time to write out a card. She wanted to get you a really extra one. That's her gift from Sierra. Now she's about to watch my gift, you guys.
Best day ever. Look at this bag. 2 tree from
Oh, there goes the card.
Yay. Alright. Ooh. Okay. For a very special friend. So cute. Ever so often you're lucky enough to discover the kind of friend that you can relax with and just be yourself because there's no need to pretend. Ever so often you find such a friend, and although they're decidedly few, I know it can happen and happened to me when I found such a friend in you. Stop.
Aww. Alright, sweetie. Aww. I love you so much. It's okay, hon. And I wrote you a little poem. You know me and my poems.
You're so wonderful, my beautiful tree. So happy you have a best friendship with me. You're so great, so amazing. You're just a ray of light. If anyone with you, yeah, I'm gonna fight. I love you, hon. Mwah. I love your aura with a capital A. So glad to have met you. Love, CJ.
Aw.
It's so sweet. I'm such a crybaby.
It's okay.
That was so cute. In this bitch's head. That's cute.
Now time for the
There's more. Are there tissues in here? Ooh. Bird feeder. Dude, you know Rasputin is going to be happy about this. My cat is going to be like, yeah, you got me a gift? Bird trap.
I know you like birds.
Yay! Yay! Babe, I'm opening presents. 2 seconds. They're fine. Whoa! This is sick. Oh, look at it.
Woo! Wind chime. Perfect addition to the garden. Because you're a ray of light, remember? Welcome, best friend. I love you so much. More to come, y'all. Sorry about the darkness, you guys, but I made it to our destination. So guess what we're about to do? Woo! Roller skating. It's exciting. I cannot wait. About to kill it on the dance floor. About to hit the floor.
I know, I wanted to share that.
About to hit the dance floor. Look at it. I haven't skated in almost 10 years and it just came back to me. Sorry. Oh my gosh, she just crossed right in front of me. So we finished roller skating. Let's turn that on. Heading back to Dallas. All done. Got my hair back in a pony. I thought for some reason having my hair in a ponytail would help me skate better. But I did do pretty good. I only fell twice. So that was good. But like I put the videos with it in there. So hopefully y'all like it. Hopefully y'all did. But yeah, heading home. I guess I'll let y'all know when I get back. And yeah. Good morning, y'all. Almost forgot. We made it back last night. I'm extremely exhausted. We went straight to sleep. So that was my trip to Austin. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and share. And as always, thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. You can subscribe at the link below. Love you guys. We're about to soar. We on the rainbow, so bright, make your eyes soar. Come on now. Encore.